Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your archived messages on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Messenger app and tap on the search bar at the top of the page. Now search for the person whose message you archived and tap on their name when it appears. To unarchive the message, simply send a message to the person, and the chat will appear again in your normal messages. You cannot see a list of all your archived chats on the Messenger app for some crazy reason. You have to go to messenger.com on a desktop, not mobile, and then tap on the three dots button in the top left of the page, and then tap on Hidden Chats. Again, to unarchive a chat, you have to send a message to the person and the chat will reappear in your normal messages. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.